Morning to all. Today we are going to learn how to install Xampp on our local computer. So let's start. First we have to download Xampp. I put the link in the description box so you can easily download. Now right click on Xampp files, run as administrator. We have to wait for some moments. The file will be initiated. So when we are starting to install the Xampp, click on OK. It will show this type of screen. Click on next. We confirm that we are click on all the check boxes. So we use all the features of Xampp. Now click on next. Here the Xampp setup is asking where you want to install the Xampp. So I have already installed in a C drive. So I'm going to my new volume E and create a folder here, the similar name Xampp. Select the path does not exist, check. Oh sorry, we have to create the folder name Xampp here. Xampp. Now select it and click on select folder. So it take the path of the E drive Xampp folder. Now click on next. Select your appropriate language. Now click on next. Untick from the here. Learn more about vitamin for Xampp. Click on next. Setup is now ready to begin install Xampp on your computer. So click on next. It will start the processing for initializing the exported file, unpacking the files in our local drive. So we have to wait for some time. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for the installation. So we have to wait. So welcome back. After the wait, Xampp setup is creating the exported files. You see this kind of screen where you have to click on allow access. Xampp will be installing and creating their folders in and installing their exported files. We have to wait for some moments. So using some front-end tools like WordPress, Magento, Joomla, CodeIgniter, Laravel. These are the some famous tools for creating the websites. So now the setup has finished installing Xampp on your computer. Do you want to start the control panel now? If you click on checkbox and finish, it will start the Xampp on your system. So you will see this kind of screen. Now click on start on Apache and click on start on MySQL. So wait for a while when it will green. When you start first time, it will asking to allow the accesses. So click on allow access. It will asking the MySQL exe access. When you see this kind of green and your code will be filled with some random numbers, then minimize it and open your favorite browser to check your local host is working or not. Just type local host and enter. If you see this kind of screen, that means your Xampp is installed properly. To check your PHP MySQL, click on PHP MyAdmin and you will see your database. So this is the chapter where we learn how to install the Xampp. Now I will show you the website where you will be able to download the Xampp. Just go to this URL and download the latest version of Xampp from here. You can download any version, but I recommend to download the latest version from this website. I will put the link in the description box so you can easily download. If you are using the Linux system, then use these links. If you are using the OS X, means Mac operating system, then use these links. So we will connect in the next video where we learn how to install WordPress in our local host and create the website our local host. So thank you for watching this video.